today. Today I'll be analyzing with you all the dollar index in preparation for NFP tomorrow on Friday, the 7th of May 2021. Okay, for those that don't know what NFP is the National Farm Payroll that happens that's in America, just concerns jobs and employment and all that changes. Okay, so NFP occurs on the first Friday of every month. Okay, so NFP is basically determined by the direction of the USD, the dollar index, DXY. Yeah. So there are people that actually trade NFP using the news. Okay, I don't recommend you guys trading NFP using the news, because the news just determine the volatility, as in how fast the market moves, and not the direction. Analyzing the dollar index is the key that determines the direction of the impulse move. Okay, so we're gonna start off by analyzing on the daily time frame. Okay, right off the bat, what you can see is that you have this uptrending support, which you have 1, 2, 3 touches, just like so. Okay, and what you can see is that the market was also on an uptrend. It was on a downtrend, because here we had this is where the market reversed and changed directions. Here we had an impulse, then we had this correction, impulse, correction, then we have this ascending triangle like this, and so on and so forth. Okay, so thus we had this higher high, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower high, lower low, and higher, lower high, lower low. They were just about the same height. Then we broke out of that structure, created a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So then this is our lowest low. Okay, so we can just mark that off. Can just mark this off. Okay, then also have this uptrending resistance. Okay, this pattern is called the, what is it called again? It's an increasing kind of a flag pattern. Okay, it's on the market like creates higher highs and lower lows and all that nonsense. Okay, what you can see is that the market has this resistance over here, this uptrending support. Right now the market is on an uptrend, because here we had a lower high, a lower low, and we had a higher high, then we had a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then the market dropped all the way to the downside. Okay, so what you can see is that the market might bounce on this uptrending uptrending support and shoot upwards. Okay, so now we can move on to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what you can see is that here we had our downtrend, and the market reversed right here. Okay, the market tried to create a lower low, but then it failed. Okay, so here we had an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, Now we are currently in a correction, and we're in a correcting phase, which is this right here. Then the market dropped. Okay, and the market is now somewhere around this zone. In which this zone, just move this. In which this zone might become our might become our new support, as in the market might just reject here, then just bounce, then continue impulsing to the upside. Okay, mind you, we also have this resistance. Okay, we have this resistance. Don't forget, we have our lower low in the zone. This is our current lower low. Okay, so you can just mark it off with a triangle. Okay. So what might happen here is that the market, by the way, we're looking for buys. What I can say might happen here is that the market might reject on this support over here. The market might reject on this support and just shoot upwards, retest, and just continue with this normal uptrend, as in impulse correction, yeah, and all that. Okay, or the market can continue to go downwards, break this support, they have this support level, bounce on this support, on this older support, and bounce on this uptrending support as well, and just move to the upside. Okay, and we also have sort of inverse head and shoulders pattern. Here we have our left shoulder head currently forming and our currently forming right shoulder. And just we have our left shoulder, our head, put it there, and we have our right shoulder, just like that. Okay, I'll just put it here like this. Either way, it's gonna be the same thing. Nah, this doesn't look correct. I think the way I did it before was, yeah. Okay, we have our left shoulder, head, right shoulder. No, I'm wrong, sorry guys. This is our left shoulder. We have our head, right shoulder, yes. We have our left shoulder, head, and our currently forming right shoulder. Yeah, this is more accurate than that previous one. Okay, so then the dollar index has a potential of reaching this high. Yes, light it like this with a rectangle. The dollar index has a potential of reaching this high, and it could break out of this high, retest, bounce on the uptrending resistance, creating a new high, and then from there the market could just continue going down and at all. Okay, so now we can move to the 4 hour, to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that here we had a correcting phase. We're in a correcting phase. Here we're in a correcting phase. And the market broke out, went down. So the market has potential of breaking out of this and hitting this. Because if you can see, it's kind of in a consolidating channel. So it's hitting the support level, then the market is being supported upwards, then it hits this resistance level, thus the market is being resisted downwards. Here we had our correcting phase, we had our correction, which was also our strong resistance when we had a triple top chart formation. We had our first top, second, third top. The market broke out. Now the market is currently here. Oh, the market also has potential of bouncing off this zone. Because here with a double bottom, with this double bottom, as in we had, let me give it tools. So we had our first bottom, second bottom. Okay, then this is our neckline for the retest. As you can see, there was no retest. The market didn't come back for the retest, so the market might come here, do that. Okay, or the market, like I said, continue here, break out with this trend line. So our support, we had a support, so which is just removed a couple of seconds ago. Then the market can finally just shoot up, correct, shoot up, impulse, correction, yeah, and all that. So the overall direction for the NFP, based on what I see on the dollar index, is to the upside, is a buy. Okay. So the 15-minute time frames is gonna be where you enter. This is gonna show you your entry points, but then we can't enter now because NFP is not now. NFP is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which in South Africa is 2:30 in the afternoon. Okay, it's just 2 hours before the Nasdaq event and the Nasdaq opening. Okay, so the 15-minute time frame is going to show us where we enter, and then from there we can just capitalize. Okay, if you're wondering what NFP pairs are, okay, let me just put in text. Okay, pairs that have USD at the end of their name, as in, let's take it something USD, always say. Okay, since we're seeing a buy, let's take the dollar index was falling. Let's take the NFP payroll was negative, it wasn't positive, it was negative. Then pairs that have USD at the end, okay, pairs that end with USD would be buying. But since our NFP payroll is probably positive because the dollar index is showing this buying momentum, then we are selling these pairs that end with USD. Okay, and pairs that start with USD, such as USD CAD, USD GPY, USD SEC, and all that, nah, will buy because they start with USD. So USD something something something, will buy. Okay, pairs like this, pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. Talking about pairs that are selling these pairs are just USD. GBP USD and all that nonsense. Okay, I'll just put it there. Okay, since we're looking for pairs. So that's basically it for the NFP analysis. I hope you guys take advantage of this video, this trade that capitalized in the market. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is BBBFX, aka Too Small, signing out.